Google just dropped a bombshell. Sundar Pichai calls it a new era of intelligence, and honestly, it feels like one. This is Gemini 3, Google's most intelligent, most interactive, and most capable AI model ever. And what's wild is how fast this evolution happened. 2 years ago, Gemini was just a multimodal model. Now it's doing PhD-level reasoning, creating 3D worlds, writing end-to-end apps, and even reading the room. Sundar's note sets the tone. He says AI overviews now hit 2 billion users every month. The Gemini app? 650 million monthly users. 70% of Google Cloud customers are using Google's AI, and 13 million developers are already building on it. All of this was just the warm-up for what Gemini 3 is about to unlock. So, what exactly changes with Gemini 3? First, reasoning. Gemini 3 Pro now tops the LM Arena leaderboard with a breakthrough score of 1501 yellow. It crushes humanity's last exam. It scores 91.9% on GPQA Diamond. And in math, it sets a new state-of-the-art on Math Arena Apex. This isn't incremental improvement. This is frontier-level intelligence finally becoming usable. And what about multimodality? Gemini 3 is now hitting 81% on MMU Pro and 87.6% on Video MMU. It sees, understands, and reasons about images and videos with way more nuance. The responses feel deeper, more composed, more direct. Less flattery, more truth. It's beginning to act like an actual collaborator instead of a chatbot. And then there's Gemini 3 Deep Think. If Pro is the fast version, Deep Think is the super slow-mo overclocked reasoning mode. It pushes Gemini to 45.1% on ARC AGI2. This is the kind of benchmark people said AI wouldn't hit for years. It's coming to Google AI Ultra subscribers soon after safety evaluation. Now, let's talk real-world impact, because Google is shipping Gemini 3 everywhere on day one. Search gets Gemini 3 powering AI mode with dynamic, generative UI that literally creates simulations and visual learning tools on the fly. The Gemini app gets it today. Developers get it in Google AI Studio. Enterprises get it in Vertex AI. And the craziest part? Google just dropped an entirely new development environment called Google Antigravity. It's not just an IDE, it's a full agentic development platform. Gemini can now plan, code, test, run the browser, operate the terminal, all at the same time. It's like having a junior engineer who never sleeps. And yes, it now integrates Gemini 2.5 computer use for browser control and Nano Banana, Google's new image model for design and editing. Planning also gets a major upgrade. Gemini 3 now tops Vending Bench 2, which tests long-horizon planning across a full simulated year. That means Gemini can execute multi-step tasks without drifting, like managing your inbox booking services or running workflows end-to-end with almost zero babysitting. Google also talks a lot about safety, reduced sycophancy, better resistance to prompt injection, stronger cyber attack protection. Agencies like the UK AISI and independent labs like Apollo and Dreadnought have already tested it. This is Google trying to show that frontier models can be safe by design. So, what does this all mean? Gemini 3 is not just another upgrade. This is Google firing the first major shot of the next wave. AI that reasons deeply, acts independently, builds full applications, learns like a human, and plugs into products billions of people already use. We're now officially in the agentic era. AI isn't just something you prompt. It's something that works with you. It runs code. It plans. It executes. It collaborates. And it's only been 2 years since Gemini 1. If this is where we are in 2025, the next 2 years are going to be insane. If you enjoyed the breakdown, hit like, share, and subscribe. More deep dives on the biggest AI releases coming up. Stay tuned.